Tiago's Tips. Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're making chocolate chip banana bready. These are the ingredients that you need. Flour, milk, egg, baking soda, vanilla extract, bananas, cinnamon, brown sugar, butter, and chocolate chips. 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 stick of butter, about 1 cup of sugar. Now you need to cream the butter and the sugar. Now add 1 egg. This egg is hard to crack. They make the eggs so hard that you can't even crack them. Half a teaspoon of vanilla. Now we add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. We need 3 ripe bananas. Did you know that a banana is a fruit? Did you know that bananas grow on trees? This banana is squishy too. You can see how squishy it is. It's squishy like a rubber ball. Now you add 2 tablespoons of milk to the bananas, and then you mash them.
A tough job?
Yep, getting dirty. Now we mix all the ingredients together. We mix the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients. Now add your chocolate chips to the batter. Add your batter to a greased loaf pan. Some extra chocolate chips on the top. Some cinnamon on top. Now bake at 325 for 1 hour. I hope this banana bread doesn't make you go bananas. Those bananas don't turn you into a monkey. Make sure you send me photos if you try this recipe. Adios, amigos. And don't forget to subscribe. Mwah!